In this video, I'm going to show you how you can filter a table by using multiple values of the same variable. So typically, if you're wanting to use the funnel shapes to filter, you can only select one value at a time, and it will filter the table by that value of the variable you've chosen. If you're wanting to choose, for example, show job cards that are of more than one job type, then what you're going to do, we're going to right click on the header row and we're going to select filter builder, and then we're going to add a criteria or a variable. Click on accuracy. We're going to scroll down to type, and we're going to change the equals to is any of, and then we can add in, let's have a look at assembly, and we click on a little plus sign again, and we're going to add another value, and we can choose breakdown, and we're going to click OK, and then you will see that your table is now showing job cards of types assembly and breakdown. And you can do this for any of the variables that have got the funnel or the filter ability in them.